What is Joe mode in a Cybertruck? Joe mode is a volume setting that helps ensure that sleeping passengers in the rear seats are not disturbed by the vehicle's chimes and alerts. This volume setting is practical for those who have young children who may be sleeping and could be disturbed by loud noises. Joe mode is a feature that ensures passengers in the back seat, especially kids, are not disturbed in their sleep by reducing the volume of sounds by 50%. Joe mode reduces the sound volume from turn signals, ultrasonic sensors and autopilot chimes in order to minimize disruption, while maintaining an effective alert volume for the driver. For many owners, the alerts and chimes from the car are still loud enough to disturb or wake up kids even with the Joe mode feature enabled. The inside of a Tesla is already fairly quiet, so any loud sounds like autopilot or chimes can seem even louder and easily wake someone up.